Welcome to my channel, Sweet Naya Reacts, and today is Americans purchasing cars in 2026. We get to hear what they got to say about the price of vehicles, the quality of vehicles, if it's worth it to buy them now, 2026 cars, or just buy old used cars. We're going to hear what they got to say, and I'm really interested in to hear what they got to say because I haven't actually financed a car since the late 90s, so it's been a minute. So let's see what they got to say here in these videos.
You're gonna buy a car in 2026, you might want to listen to this. Now, we started to see a downturn in October of 2023. 2024 brought a lot of uncertainty, could be one of the worst crashes we've ever seen. 2025 piggybacked off of that. People were afraid of tariffs. Manufacturers were afraid of tariffs. And what's interesting about this is manufacturers pumped out more vehicles in 2025 than any time in recorded history. But here's the really weird part. They also had some of the worst sales numbers in recorded history. They over-manufactured with fear of the tariffs, and now they're paying for it. Rolling over into 2026, you have so many 2025 models that are just sitting with massive discounts, and the discounts are enormous. I mean, I'm seeing the Bronco with massive discounts, the Ford F-150. You've got Jeeps and the Jeep Gladiator with almost 50% off. 50% off on the Gladiator and the Jeep. Now, some of those vehicles are not that reliable, but you've also got Ram, you've got most Nissan models, Kia, and Subaru, the most reliable manufacturer in America. They struggled to sell the WRX, and they struggled to sell the Ascent. Now, here's what I recommend in regards to financing. Don't go in and pay cash because the dealer has no incentive to work with you. Go with manufacturer financing. Go to their website, get a pre-approval. Manufacturers are offering 0 to 2% financing right now, or use your bank or your credit union, and never, and I mean never, ever put a down payment on a car, because dealerships are going to eat that up unless you're putting over 20% down.
If your New Year's resolution is to buy a car in 2026, you're going to watch this before you go to the dealership. The dealership is looking for the best deal for them, not for you. You want to look out for yourself, so you're going to want to do this. Figure out what car you want. If you want a 2026 Kia, if you want a Hyundai, it don't matter, whatever you want. Figure out the car, find it on whatever lot it's on. Then you're going to print it out. You're going to then take it to your local credit union. Me personally, I've done Del One. I think they're great. That's a Delaware bank, though. You're going to have to find your own credit union. Go to that bank, show them. You're going to apply with them one time. They're going to approve you. They're going to give you the check. Then you're going to take that check. You're going to go pay the dealership. Then you're going to make your car payments like normal on time to the credit union. The purpose of this is so you don't have your credit ran a bunch of different times at the dealership, because at the end of the day, they're looking for the best deal for them, not for you.
I'm going to show you guys realistic payments on a $30,000 car. This is a perfect example of what $30,000 can get you in today's market. This is a 2019 BMW X3 M40. And just so you guys can see what the back looks like, super clean car. And also, here's a quick glimpse of the interior. You do have the full panoramic sunroof as well. And as you guys can see, this car is right under 55,000 miles, and it is currently available. All right, so we have everything plugged into the calculator on AutoSense. $29,449 is the selling price, running 6.5% rate. New Jersey sales tax is 6.625, 72 months and $1,100 in fees. With no money down, we'd be $546 a month on this car. And if it took the full 72 months to pay the car off, you'd be paying $6,800 in interest. If you were to put $3,000 down, you'd be right under $500 a month. I just ran a quick quote, and it looks like they'd have me at $162 a month for the X3 M40. If you guys want to get an insurance quote on a car you're considering buying, or use the calculator tool from the video, you guys can get started in my bio. For more content like this, make sure you follow J-Rod Sells Cars.
Bought a new car April 16th, 2026. By April 20th, 2026, it broke down. Got it fixed, and 2 weeks later, on Mother's Day, it's totaled. Okay, story time of buying my new car. So first of all, no, it was not total. It's not. But I was so excited. On the 16th, I went and got me a new car. It was time. I was driving a two-door Honda, a 6-year-old, and we just needed more space. Okay, bam, so happy to get my car. 4 days later, I go to get in it and it does not start. And I started crying. I broke down because I came from a car that's what was happening with my Honda. It stopped working, it wouldn't start, blah, blah, blah. And I drove a rental for like 2-3 months till I figured out what car I wanted. So it was a lot into that video of why I'm breaking down crying because I go to get in my car and it will not start. Bam. Got it fixed, got it started. It was the battery. Okay, cool. Got my beautiful car. Y'all, Mother's Day, this man comes and smacks us on the side. I'm driving down the highway. I'm enjoying my new Mazda. Hi, Mazda family. So on Mother's Day, we get into a wreck. Driving down the highway, minding my little business with my daughter in the back, somebody hits me on the side. At that point, I was like about ready to get rid of the car because I'm like, is the bad luck coming with the car? Like, is this, like, I wasn't experiencing any of this until I got this car. But no, we're all good now. The car is great. I love it so much. I got the Mazda CX-90, but I know y'all wanted details of like what happened with the car. It was the battery, then I got into a wreck. So yeah, that's been my 2026. Just I was just so annoyed. My second accident I've ever been in life. So like, it's definitely traumatizing when you get into a car accident. But like, we're all good. I'm all healed now, but honey, this car brought me a lot of trouble already.
This is the only correct way to be buying a car in 2026. Going into the dealership with no plan, waiting around for 4 to 5 hours, getting your credit ran 15 to 20 times is bullshit. I'm gonna need that out the window. Understand that dealerships don't give a shit about you. They're there to get the best deal for themselves. Don't let their sugarcoating sales tactics trip you up. The absolute best way to save time, money, and get the best deal for you is going to a credit union beforehand. Go to a credit union, open a checking and savings, switch direct deposit for 2 to 3 months before applying, and I guarantee you they're gonna throw you fatter checks than most banks. Credit unions are generous. The reason that is because credit unions also keep in mind banking relationship with customers. Even if you have a low to mid score, you will go farther mile for mile with them than normal banks. Get one check, get one hard inquiry, get the car you want, and just get up out of there.
Car dealers are going crazy right now because they're getting out-negotiated by AI and they don't know what to do about it. Here's the back-end view of one of our customers who currently has their AI negotiating with 11 different dealerships. You can see here, they're in the market to buy an Acura MDX and their AI agent is out there contacting dealerships, getting them pricing and negotiating. This is what's driving some car dealerships crazy. The message that you see right here, that's from an AI agent representing the customer, and the response here is from the dealership. If I scroll down here, we can see, wait for it. We've got the actual out the door price. Yeah, there it is, $45,277. The dealership added accessories, adding up to $2,394 that obviously the customer didn't ask for. The AI is then negotiating. Hey, I want the price to be $40,500. And if I go all the way down here, we can see, wait for it, you're firm at $42,000. I need to be at $41,500. Yeah, the AI is just negotiating back and forth at the dealership to get the customer a better price. What's awesome here is the AI did a great job. The first price quote was $45,277. The second price quote, $42,655. I'm obviously super biased because I built this thing, but I think you should give it a try if you don't like talking to dealers and if you don't like negotiating or if you just don't like wasting your time.
Shopping for cars is exhausting. I've been at this from 8:30 a.m. when I dropped my car off. It is now 2:45. Lord have it, please. So I dropped off my Kia Sportage, and while I was there, obviously I started off with the Kia Sportage 2026. I'm not gonna lie. Kia's trying to step it up. It had all the bells and whistles. It had the panoramic ceiling. I can't even speak right now, so if I don't make sense, bear with me. It had panoramic on the top. It had the brown peanut butter interior, leather, cooling seats, heated seats. It had all the things, but it was still a Kia. You know what I'm saying? It's like when a regular person gets a makeover, you're still a regular person. So I feel like if I don't like the Lexus, then I don't like the Lexus and the Mazda and the other cars, when in doubt, I'm gonna get a Kia. All right, so Kia it's not bad, it's not great, it is what it is. Like, if none of the cars work out, I'm gonna get a Kia Sportage. So, next is Mazda. The Mazda CX-5, the Mazda CX-50. Anybody have those cars?
What's a normal car payment in 2026?
Oh gosh, I don't know. 600?
What's an average car payment in 2026?
I would say anywhere between 5 to 6. If you want a big SUV, you're in the 7s to 9.
What's a normal car payment in 2026?
$700.
What's a normal car payment in 2026?
$650.
What's a normal car payment in 2026?
So I've seen already like almost 300, and then I've seen somebody the other day where they had like $1,500. Outrageous. Do better.
What's a normal car payment in 2026?
About $600 to $700 a month.
What's a normal car payment in 2026?
The national average car payment right now is $750.
What's a normal car payment in 2026?
Probably around $1,100 for 7284.
What's one car brand you would not buy in 2026?
Anything made by Stellantis.
What's one car brand you would not buy in 2026?
Isuzu. One car brand I wouldn't buy in 2026. Anything Chrysler.
What's one car brand you would not buy in 2026?
Volkswagen.
Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge.
BMW.
What's one car brand you would not buy in 2026?
I got two.
Okay.
Nissan and Ram.
What are car brands like other ones?
Hey, what's one car brand you would not buy in 2026?
Mitsubishi.
What's one car brand you would not buy in 2026?
Nissan.
What's one car brand you wouldn't buy in 2026?
Nissan. Datsun.
What's one car brand you would not buy in 2026?
Wouldn't buy Ford unless it had a 5.0 in it. I wouldn't buy Jeep.
Car brand would you not buy in 2026?
Tesla.
Hey, Rebecca, what's one car brand you would never buy in 2026?
A Tesla.
Jaguar.
Jaguar. What's one car brand you wouldn't buy in 2026?
Oh, you don't want to hear my answer.
Say it.
Hyundai and Kia.
Kia and Jeeps.
Or buy BMW.
Car brand would you not buy in 2026?
Jeep.
What car brand would you not buy in 2026?
Chrysler.
What car brand would you not buy in 2026?
I would never buy Volvo.
In 2026, I would not buy Fisker because they're no longer selling cars. I would not buy Fiat because I can't spell it. The I and the A always flip-flop. Chrysler, I stay away from those. Jeep, I love Adventure, but I don't love warning lights. Those are the car brands I would not buy.
The cars that they listed that they will not buy in 2026 isn't a Honda, because Honda is a good car. Honda's a good car, and a Hyundai, I think it's a good car too. Honda. Yeah. I wish they would have said the cars to buy in 2026. A car that they would buy in 2026. That would be good to know. But Honda's a very good car. I love Honda. You know. Mitsubishi. They mentioned Mitsubishi. I don't even think they still make Mitsubishi. So 2026, let me know what cars you would buy in 2026 and what car you wouldn't buy in 2026. And yes, the average amount for a car payment is over $700. So the days of paying 150, 175, 200, a little over 200 for a car payment monthly is gone. Those days are gone. That was in the 90s. But everything is high, and you need to be mobile. You have to get from from point A to point B. You got to go to work, you got to go to stores, got to go to places. You got to have a car. Unless you have public transportation nearby, and that's what you rely on. But having a car is a convenience that is very good that we need. This could be a luxury too. So, if you like this video and want to see more videos like this, hit the like button, subscribe to see more videos, and hit the notification bell. And I will see y'all all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.